Go ahead and settle into your body. Get as comfortable as you can, preferably with your feet lying flat on the floor. And once you've done this, gently ask yourself, what is one thing that has been weighing heavily on you? It can be a challenge or a problem, an issue, or something that feels unsettling in your body, your mind, or both. Whatever it is, bring that to mind. And as you do this, place your hand over your heart and begin tapping on the back of your hand in that groove between the fourth and fifth fingers. Go ahead and take a deep breath in, inhaling for a count of 6. Just feeling that air passing in through your nose, filling your lungs and your heart space. And now breathe out for a count of 6 seconds, feeling that breath slipping out through your mouth. And relax your tongue on the floor of your mouth. Make it feel as heavy as possible. And just keep this breathing sequence as best you can of 6 seconds in and 6 seconds out. Now place that thing that you thought of that was weighing heavily on you in a container. This container can be anything you'd like. It can be a box, a mason jar, a balloon. Whatever comes to mind, put that thing in that container and gently set the container aside. Once that container has been set aside, I invite you to bring your intention back to your breathing. Breathe in for another count of 6, feeling the breath passing through your nose. And breathe out for another count of 6, allowing your tongue to relax and rest easy on the floor of your mouth. And as your tongue becomes heavy, let that heaviness move to your shoulders and relax them down. And feel that heaviness travel all the way down to your body, feeling your feet heavy on the floor, feeling grounded in all that you are. And now, gently open your eyes whenever you're ready, and softly let the world meet your gaze. And as you do this, go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand. Tapping on the side of your hand, repeat after me. I choose to feel safe and relaxed. Top of the head. I choose to release any negative energy that this issue may be creating in my life. Eyebrow. I choose to let go of any way that this issue may be connected on a subconscious or conscious level. Side of the eye. I choose to let go of any way this issue may be connected on a mind-body level. Under the eye, I choose to let go of any way that this issue is interfering with my current reality and with my ability to move forward. Under the nose, take a deep breath here. Good. Under the mouth, I release anything and everything that stands between me and feeling at peace and grounded. Collarbone, I release any and all negativity concerning this issue that might be preventing me from moving through this with joy and gratitude. Under the arm, go ahead and take a deep breath here. Good, and go ahead and relax. And just drop your awareness down into your body and just notice how you feel.